This is Tapas Fleming. Hi there with another short story from Kelly Burkitt. Go ahead, Kelly.
So this one, and I'll try to be really quick, was when I was actually learning about TAT for the very first time in the class. I offered to be the, volunteer the first time. And my husband and I had been trying to get pregnant for a couple of years and had been unable to do so. And we're going through fertility treatment at the time. And I had been completely like where I drew the line was I wasn't going to do IVF. It just felt like it was beyond what I was comfortable with. And it's very expensive and all of that. And I had this big revelation during the session where I realized, even after all these years of therapy, that there's a part of me that felt like I didn't deserve to be a mother. And I didn't even notice like any shift. I mean, it was very emotional at that moment, but I didn't really notice anything and went about my business. And about 2 or 3 weeks later, all of a sudden I found myself looking, thinking about IVF and looking to see if our insurance covered it, which would be crazy if it did. And it did. And we went through one round of IVF and I got pregnant and have a beautiful 11-year-old girl. And I really don't think I would have had that opening to even consider it without the TAT. So that gave me my daughter.
Oh, geez.
That's gonna make me cry.
It's making me cry. Oh, that's awesome. Thanks so much for sharing.